All right, so we had a couple threads on our carb studs that were a little mangled up, so we're gonna replace them. Now, I got a couple ideas from my man Willie. So let's get in our ARP bin over here. Now, I'm thinking a couple things here. One, I'm gonna go with stainless, because next time he's out in the swamp, right, doesn't have to worry about these things rusting. Now, we're 20% stronger than your typical grade 8 fastener, so I'm thinking, how strong do you need to hold a carburetor? But I'm banking on this thing going on its lid. So when it's upside down, we want to hang on to this sucker. Now, he might even roll it, so I did notice there's a dual pattern. I might be able to fit 8 bolts on this thing to keep it on. So one thing you want to make sure you do is use a fastener lube on your threads, especially like a stainless into aluminum. And then thread engagement on aluminum, you typically want 2 times the diameter of the bolt for thread engagement, and then you'll be good.